Composite dental fillings virtually have replaced amalgam fillings in dentistry as of today. Composite restorations have been around from early 80s and every year have gotten better. This particular practice does not place amalgam fillings. Pretty much everything we place from a filling perspective is a composite restoration. What do you need to know about composites? Well, number one, they should be close to the color of your teeth. Number two, there sometimes can be sensitivity when we place the filling, but usually that disappears very quickly. A composite filling flexes about the same way your tooth does, and it's actually bonded to your tooth. So the seal between a composite and your tooth structure is greater than it used to be with a silver amalgam filling, which was just placed kind of in the hole and wedged in there. A composite restoration can be repaired. We can bond to existing composite and add to that. Whereas in the past, when we did an amalgam restoration, if it broke, we had to take it all out and put it back in. That ends up keeping your tooth healthier, because anything that we do to a tooth is sometimes a little hard on the tooth. So the less that we can do for you, the better off you're going to be. A composite restoration in some instances can stain, but for the most part, the newer composites are made so that they won't stain. The older composites were a little more porous and they had a tendency to pick up stain. Overall, when you need a filling, a composite restoration, we believe here at LUF Dental, is the best restoration for you.